The first step is to open Google Workspace Marketplace and find the KitMerge add-on. Click the Install button. Get ready to install KitMerge. KitMerge needs permission in order to start installing. By clicking Continue, you will grant permission and continue the install. Next, select the Google account you will be using with KitMerge. You will always use this account's Google Drive to access KitMerge. Click to select the account. Scroll through the Terms of Service. Click Allow to continue. When you see the message about successfully installing KitMerge, click Done. This window will close. You will return to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Go to your Google Drive. In the right side panel, you will see the KitMerge icon. Click the KitMerge icon to start a KitMerge project. That's it. You're done.